folks. So Jamaica is looking to forge closer ties with Cuba for the further development of the local agricultural sector. And the Honourable Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, Mr. Bernard Charles Jr., is here to talk about the potential benefits of this partnership. Morning, sir. All the very best to you and your family.
Morning
for the
to you. Happy New Year to you both.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I know that we have collaborated with them in medicine. They've built schools here, Jose Martin, Gabi Monsieur, G.C. Foster. What are we talking about specifically with Cuba now?
It's been 51 years at Cuba, you know, and, you know, besides medicine, we've had some collaboration in terms of students learning agricultural science there. And now we are moving into a more strategic partnership. You know, we're looking on learning lessons from all of what we've faced in the last 2 years. The pandemic has taught us that when you have to rely on things being imported from far away, any little disruption in the logistics chain impacts you. It's amplified in how it impacts you locally. Right. We've had our recent issues with animal feed, and that is resounding in terms of an alert to us that we need to start doing things differently. Right. So working with Cuba just makes sense. It is smart, it is sensible. It allows us to enhance our research and development capacity. Plus, we share space. This is our closest neighbor. Mm-hmm. So when you talk about climatic conditions, if it is 90 degrees here, it's 90 degrees there. So it means whatever research they do, whatever research we do, is more likely to be transitional. It can be shared. So sharing in research and development around important things like how do we combat climate change, the negative consequences in terms of agriculture, infusing the climate smart agriculture. What you're using will more than likely work here. Issues around soil degradation, and pest management, disease management. All of these things they are researching and we are researching, and so we can start to have a more strategic way to collaborate, to share outcomes, to exchange human resources, and to see how we can strengthen our capacity to really design the techniques and the technologies that work for us, because we are neighbors, we're partners.
Yeah, you made mention of the research and exchange of information, human resources, and so on. So, can we expect, for example, a case in St. Thomas, or is it Portland? But either way, more work being done to enhance what's done at CASE, the delivery, and our students going to be going to and from CASE to Cuba, and so on.
I think all of those are great potentials in terms of opportunities. Right now, we're looking on sharing in terms of our Bodle's research, and really being able to learn from Cuba where they are.